No, it's hard to tell what this used to be. I'd have to do some research, but then I'll get back to you on that.
It's Montgomery that originally was a vector. Slap on mod it.
I know. That's 3.
Okay.
We'll get off at 3.
Okay.
It's empty. This Sears might close in the future. There's like no one here.
Don't remind me.
I know, it's okay.
There are 3 Sears locations in the valley. Now we're down to 1.
Well, we lost all of our Sears in Arizona, statewide too. So.
But you don't even have 1 in the whole state?
No, we lost all of ours.
Oh, shit. Okay, got it.
I know, Sears is such a good store. That's it.